Shear here and welcome. Today I'm going to do a beautiful sunflower on a 30cm canvas. I'm going to use all some pearl colours, some yellows, some copper, so I'm really excited. Let's go and make some art. Okay, let me show you my colours. I'm using a mix of copper and oxide black. So this is PBO copper, iridescent copper, and Amsterdam's oxide black for a dark copper. Then we have the PBO iridescent copper. And then we have pearl chartreuse by ArtResin, pearl tangerine by ArtResin, pearl canary yellow by ArtResin, pearl banana yellow by ArtResin, 24 karat gold, and then just a little bit of black for some shadow, and then I'll do like a metallic black for the centre. And I think I'm going to use a grey base just so that the sunflower stands out more. Probably I'll use a little bit of white as well around the edges. So let's get started. I've just drawn a little semicircle here just to guide me, and I'm going to start with the black copper mix. And I'm going to fill in the centre afterwards. Copper. Chartreuse. Tangerine orange, pearl canary yellow, pearl banana yellow, do this. And just go around that with some white. My base grey. I'm just going to add a little bit of gold in the mix, and so I'm going to start blowing in the middle. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful lacing. I'm just going to fill in the centre, and this is the dark copper with the mix of the black and the copper. And then this is the metallic black. Let me give you a close-up. Look at all that shimmer. Got the flash on so you can see the shimmers. So this is how shimmery it will be when it's dry with a layer of resin or varnish. And all these lovely little cells and lacing. Really, really, really pretty. The colour and the gold, you can see some gold in there. Absolutely stunning, I love it. And I think the grey background really works. Okay, I will show you the dry result, if not in this video, in another video. Okay, lovely. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to see another video like this, tap the screen on the left and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.